We have here our lababo. We have also here the built-in hanging cabinet. Good day mga katuknangan. Welcome to Brentwood Village, Mabiga, Mabalacat, Pampanga. Naghahanap ka ba ng bahay na maganda at elegante? Narito na at aking ipapakita ang isa or one of the premier subdivision here in Mabalacat at malapit sa lahat. Malapit sa Clark International Airport. So, I'm going to show you how beautiful Brentwood Village is. One of the amenities is the clubhouse. Very wide, spacious, where you can enjoy kung meron kayong debut, wedding, anniversaries, and a lot more. You can use these facilities as your venue. You can also enjoy the swimming pool for your kids. And also a swimming pool size for adult right over here. We also have here the outdoor playground where your kids will enjoy happily and safely. And also we have here the tennis court while enjoying your family day. Now guys, I'm going to show you the one unit left here in this subdivision, which is the Giselle Model Unit. The Giselle Model Unit has a lot area of 234 square meter and for the floor area has a 202 square meter. Let's go inside guys. I will show you how beautiful Giselle Model House. Pagkapasok po natin sa Giselle Model Unit, ito po ang kanyang living area. It has a wide windows right over here and also a wide sliding window right over here. And on this side, we also have the dining area na may malaki din po siyang sliding window here. Ito po yung mga nagustuhan ko sa isang bahay na malalaki po yung bintana niya. So, dito papasok ang sariwang hangin. And also, right over here, we have the lanai, the extension of your dining area. So, para kung marami naman po tayong bisita every day or during the weekend, lalo na po tradisyon na sa ating mga Pilipino, ang pagbisita sa ating mga kamag-anak, kasyang-kasya po dito, it can fit 10 to 15 persons. And also, this is the kitchen. Ayan. They built this cabinet for free. And also they utilize right over here also the cabinet. And also this is included in the cell unit, which is the pantry where you can put all your groceries right over here. And also we have here the banquera. And guys, this is the one that the most I love this house. We have here the maid's quarter. So, social po ang ating mga maids. They have their own comfort room right over here. part of the house outside. This is the laundry area, and this is the extension for your laundry area, and the kitchen or the dirty kitchen. Alam po natin na minsan nagiging maselan tayo sa ating pagluluto. Kung ayaw natin na mangamoy sa loob ng ating bahay, ang ating niluluto, you can cook here as your dirty kitchen. Bago po tayo umakyat sa taas, I'm going to show you the another guest room right over here. And on my right, meron din po siyang sliding window. And on this side, meron din siya. Okay? This is a wide sliding window. Tignan niyo po kung gaano kaganda ang Giselle unit natin. Even though kung nagtitipid po tayo sa kuryente, just open the wide window right over here para makapasok po ang sariwang hangin. And on this part, we have the storage room. Storage? Or pwede po natin gawin ng stock room ito. And also the powder room right over here. Now guys, I'm going to show you yung second floor po ng bahay na ito kung gaano kaganda. Kung makikita po natin bago tayo po umakyat sa second floor, naglagay din sila ng wide window here. The purpose of this window, it can enter the natural light of the house. So makakatipid pa rin po tayo ng kuryente. And also, this handle of the stairs is made of yakal wood and also a steel bar right over here. Ito rin po yung kanyang hallway. So, kung may mga anak po tayo, naglagay din sila ng harang dito para safe po yung mga bata. This is the bedroom 1. This is also inclusion for the turnover of this unit. Kung nakikita nyo po at napapansin, malalaki po yung mga ginawa nilang cabinet right over here. And also this window. And another window, a wide window right over here. This room, nasa harap po siya ng bahay natin. I'm going to show you now the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom. Another big sliding window here and here. And this one. Alam nyo guys, ito yung gusto ko rin na bahay na kapag binili ko, hindi na ako kailangan magpa-purchase pa ng mga cabinet. Built-in na po lahat ito and inclusion na sa unit na ito. Let's go guys for the master's bedroom. And this is the master's bedroom. Wow, very beautiful. Guys, you know, this master's bedroom, napakaganda. Kung gaano siya kaaliwalas. At para naman sa mga minamahal natin na asawa, meron po siyang walk-in closet here. And this is what I like most, yung mga cabinet na included na. And also here, the makeup, vanity, maglagay lang po ng salamin dito. I'm sure lalong gaganda ang inyong mga asawa. And also guys, what I love most of this Giselle unit, napakalaki po ng toilet and bath niya at meron din siyang bathtub. And also we have the lavabo here, and on this part they have the glass door for the toilet. And also naglagay din sila ng window here at napakasarap ng hangin dito kapag pumapasok. Okay, now guys, I'm going to show you naman isa sa mga bahay na gusto ko na may ganitong parte, which is the balcony or the veranda. Para matatanaw nyo ang inyong mga kapitbahay. Ayan. Alam ko po, sa buong araw, stress tayo. So, maglalagay ka lang ng isang sopa dito. You can relax and enjoy habang nagkakape. Okay. So, mga katoknangan, that's the end of our video presentation of Giselle Unit Model. Now, for further inquiries, don't hesitate to call my number right over here. And don't forget to follow my Facebook page, which is Toknangan. And also, you can subscribe with my YouTube channel, Toknangan. Maraming salamat po. Once again, this is Romel Malyari, Unit Manager from Makatangay Realty. Always remember, dream home you deserve, people you trust.